cortar, cut, 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 leer, rim, correr, run, rum, venir, comen, ir, good, gone, hacer, done, comer, eat, eat, eh, ver, see, shin, hacer, make, made, y comprar es buy, but, buff,